My name is Dr. Sonia, Faculty of BPT Department in RPIIT College, Bastada, Karnal. Today I will discuss topic brain tumor. Brain tumor. A brain tumor is a collection or mass of abnormal cells in brain. Skull, which encloses the brain, is very rigid. Any growth inside the restricted place can cause problem. When these tumors grow inside the brain, it increases intracranial pressure, which can cause brain damage and may even life-threatening. When most normal cells grow old or get damaged, they die. The new cells take place. Sometimes this process goes wrong. New cells from when body doesn't need them and old or damaged don't die as they should. The buildup of extra cells often form a mass of tissue called as tumor. Incidence and prevalence. In 2010, 62,930 new cases were recorded in United States for adult brain tumor, while for children, 4,030 new cases were recorded for the same period. Tumors, grades and types. The WHO first published a universal classification system for CNS tumor in 1979. Tumors were classified into two categories. First is primary brain tumor and second is secondary brain tumor. So, first one is primary brain tumor. These tumors can be benign or malignant. Primary tumors originate in the CNS. Benign brain tumors do not contain cancer cells. They usually begin. Tumors can be removed and rarely grow back. Benign brain tumors have an obvious border or edge. They don't spread. They don't invade into the tissue. Benign tumor can press on sensitive area of the brain and can cause serious health problem. Unlike benign tumor of other part of body, benign tumor of brain are sometimes life-threatening. Malignant brain tumor, also called brain cancer, contain cancer cell. They are more serious and offer a threat to life. Rapid growth. Cancer cell may spread to other part of the brain or to spinal cord. Tumor grades. Doctors group brain tumor by grades. First is grade 1. The tissue is benign. The cells look nearly like normal brain cells and they grow slowly. Grade 2. The tissue is malignant. The cells look less like normal cells than do the cells in the grade 1 tumor. Grade 3. The malignant tissue has cells that look very different from normal cells. The abnormal cells are actively growing. Grade 4. Malignant tissue has cells that look most abnormal and tend to grow quickly. Types of primary brain tumors. There are many types of primary brain tumors. They are named according to the type of cells or the part of the brain in which they benign. For example, most primary brain tumors begin in glial cells and they called glioma. So first one is glioma, second is astrocytoma, third is glioblastoma, fourth is oligodendroglioma, fifth one is ependyoma, sixth is medulloblastoma, seventh is meningioma, eighth is pituitary adenoma, ninth is schwannoma, and 10th is primary CNS lymphoma. Secondary brain tumors. Secondary brain tumors, also called as metastatic brain tumors, originate from malignancy outside of the CNS and spread to the brain, typically through arterial circulations. Approx 25% of individuals with systemic cancer develop metastatic brain tumor, approximately 80% in cerebral hemisphere and 20% in posterior fossa. One third of metastases originate in lungs and followed in the manner below in order of frequency: lungs, then breast, then skin, then GI tract, and then last kidney. Frontal lobe is the most common site. Average survival with the treatment is approximately 6 months, but vary widely by the extent of further systemic metastasis. Approx 25% of individuals with systemic cancer develop metastatic brain tumor, approximately 80% in cerebral hemisphere and 20% in posterior fossa. One third of metastases originate in lungs and followed in the manner below in order of frequency: lungs, then breast, then skin, then GI tract, and then last kidney. Frontal lobe is the most common site. Average survival with the treatment is approximately 6 months but vary widely by the extent of further systemic metastasis. Thank you.